Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach the quick start guide to repair and recover corrupted XLSX file. When you open an Excel file and it says Excel cannot open the file for some reasons and ask you to verify that the file has not been corrupted, how can you repair the Excel file with no data loss? Cocosenor Excel Repair Tuner can help you. This Excel repair software can help repair, restore, recover the damaged XLSL file and get your data back to normal. You can download and install it from Cocosenor official website. Now open the software and click the Open option. Then select the corrupted XLSX file. OK, click the Restore button. Soon, the damaged Excel file is recovered. You can save it on your computer and rename it. After that, open the file to have a check. That's all. Thanks for watching.